Have you ever started a new job, like your first day at a tech company, or learned a new skill and felt completely lost, surrounded by unfamiliar terms, complex procedures, and jargon that everyone else seems to understand? It's a very common experience for beginner English learners, and often, you'll hear someone say you need to learn the ropes, which can leave you wondering what that even means and how it improves your communication in professional settings. Imagine Sarah, a new employee at her tech office, literally searching for ropes everywhere, peeking into storage closets, and even asking her colleagues if there are any rope tying lessons scheduled, creating a humorous and awkward mix-up that perfectly highlights the confusion between the literal ropes you might find on a ship and the figurative meaning of gaining basic knowledge in a new environment. So, what does learn the ropes truly mean in its figurative sense? It means to understand the basics of how something works, to become familiar with the essential procedures, processes, and fundamental skills of a job, task, or activity, marking the transition from feeling like a complete novice to starting to feel competent, just like contrasting Sarah's initial funny misunderstanding. Sarah's colleague, Mark, patiently guides her through the new software, step by step explaining each feature and functionality, and as she grasps one function after another, she confidently declares, "I'm starting to learn the ropes now." This story beautifully shows her transition from confusion and overwhelm as a novice to gaining practical knowledge and becoming more comfortable and competent in her responsibilities. For example, it takes time to learn the ropes in a new company, meaning it requires effort and time to understand the company policies, procedures, and culture, or she's still learning the ropes of project management, indicating she's in the process of acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge, and I need to learn the ropes of this new software quickly, which means becoming familiar with its functionalities to use it effectively right away. To remember this idiom easily, picture a grand sailing ship with countless intricate ropes, where each rope controls a specific sail or part of the rigging, and a new sailor must learn exactly what each one does to navigate the ship effectively and safely, directly connecting this visual to learning the essential elements and basics of any new task or job, just like Sarah with her software. Historically, learn the ropes originated from the age of sailing ships, where novice sailors had to master the complex ship's rigging and learn which ropes controlled which sails to navigate effectively. This reflects the deep value of practical, hands-on experience and knowledge in English-speaking cultures, and over time, it has evolved from purely nautical use to apply broadly in modern fields like offices, tech, and various industries today. Similar idioms include get the hang of it, meaning to learn how to do something skillfully, get the knack of it, to acquire a skill easily, or grasp the basics, to understand fundamental principles. Opposite phrases are not know the first thing about it for complete unfamiliarity, be out of one's depth in a too difficult situation, or at sea, feeling confused. Related idioms like show someone the ropes mean to teach the basics, know the ropes means being experienced, and on. The ropes describes a tough spot. A common mistake is using learn the ropes literally, like saying I'm learning the ropes that are on the desk, but remember, it's always figurative for gaining basics. Another is thinking it only applies to manual labor when it fits any skill, physical or intellectual. Also, avoid it for formal training contexts, say undergoing training instead, and to avoid errors, always picture the sailing ship ropes as your memory tip for the right figurative use. Now for a quick quiz to test your understanding. What does learn the ropes mean? Is it A, to tie knots, B, to understand the basics of a new task, C, to climb a rope, or D, to skip rope? Take a moment to think. The correct answer is B, to understand the basics of how something works. In summary, learn the ropes means to grasp the fundamentals and basics of a new task, job, or situation, originating from sailing ships where sailors mastered the rigging, and now widely used in everyday and professional English. Mastering this idiom, along with its cultural context, is vital for beginner learners to improve communication skills, navigate new experiences confidently, and avoid mix-ups like Sarah's. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments below a time when you had to learn the ropes in a new job, skill, or situation, and tell us how it felt to finally get it. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.